Day, McVeigh, and happy Wednesday. Good morning, boys and girls. So this morning I'm going to start with the rest of the projects from class 2 to 6. This is all about German Shepherds. Rebecca did this one, and on the back you actually see a German Shepherd made out of clay. I don't know if you could see that. The German Shepherd is laying in the grass, but German Shepherds are highly trainable dogs, super great pets. That's what they look like. And it is her favorite breed of dog. They are 55 to about 85 pounds. Here's a diagram of a German Shepherd. And then, of course, fun facts about the German Shepherd. Again, they're highly trainable and they're used as military dogs often because they're very obedient. And we saw a dog that looked like a German Shepherd at our Touch-a-Truck. That was a Malinois, but very similar characteristics. Now, this is about Margate. This is a type of cat. And this is by Wayne, who loves to learn about wildlife in general. And that is what an adult Margate looks like. And this is what, if we could imagine it in the wild and then made it out of clay, that's what it would look like. So super, and every one of these projects includes a glossary, by the way. And finally, we have Antarctica. So, again, there's the penguin, the coldest region on Earth, a very cold place. So there you go. There's all the ice. And so it's covered with huge glaciers, which are melting due to climate change, which I'm going to get to in a second. And that's why I did these projects in this order. And here's what Antarctica looks like with the ice caps and, of course, the snow-covered areas. That would be a diagram of Antarctica. And, of course, you can check that out on the globe in your classroom. And then the report about everything I learned about Antarctica by C.J. Teamsma. Now, the next project is by Adrian. Now, we just learned from C.J. about Antarctica. And the first thing that Adrian talks about is endangered species, endangered animals, one of them being the polar bear, which, by the way, this is their region, and they're endangered now because there's not that many left. And why? Well, one of the facts that we have here from Adrian is that climate change is impacting animals, and one of them being the polar bear, because what did we learn from CJ? Yeah, the ice is shrinking. But other animals include the rhinoceros, the Asian elephant, and mountain gorillas. Some of this is due to hunting, but some of this is due to the habitat. So this is why we always talk about taking care of the earth and being kind to the earth, so that all of the many animals and living things on earth can stay living. That's important. All right. Now, we have actually two others. We have some Getting Smart Through Art. I'm not sure who submitted this. Actually, it's Ellie. So we have some Getting Smart Through Art. And this is a map by, I can't really actually read that writing, but it's from room 121. So we have a cool map from somebody in room 121. All right. Now, moving on to our mystery number and wordle. I don't have any guesses yet. So yesterday, I gave you the clue that this was the most common consonant. That's the R. All right. So here is my next clue. This is the most common vowel, and this letter is one of the most common consonants. Mystery number, 3 digits left. So this number you ready, is a multiple of 10. So if we know that, we know where the even number is. It's a multiple of 10. All right, let's get our Mighty Kind moment of the day. Let's get a drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So this is by Aria. Be kind to each other and the earth. And let's have a wonderful day. It sounds like something I've heard before. Yep. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, mighty kind, mighty mind. And as Aria said, every day is a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.